tons of raw silica arrive daily, the crucial first step in the journey from sand to smartphone.
The carbon residue is spiking slightly in reactor 3.
We need to adjust the flow rate immediately to maintain the 9 to 9.9 threshold.
We need to maintain the temperature gradient precisely during the necking phase.
Confirmed. The diameter looks perfect for the 300 millimeter target.
The diamond wire saws precisely cleave the silicon ingot, creating the foundation for next-generation processors.
Each silicon wafer must achieve atomic-level flatness before smartphone processors can be built upon its surface.
Automated systems handle the delicate wafers, moving them through nitrogen-purged airlocks to prevent contamination. The uniform silicon dioxide layer grows across the wafer surface, creating the essential insulating films for smartphone transistor fabrication.
The powerful light sources project the circuit patterns through the reduction lenses.
The wafer stage.
Look at the spike in the differential bias here.
That's within the acceptable range for this recipe, and keep monitoring the endpoint trace.
The wafers enter the implanter, where accelerators precisely engineer the electrical characteristics of the silicon.
This rapid thermal process is crucial. The intense heat activates the implanted dopants, repairing the crystal structure at an atomic level.
The atomic layer deposition process allows us to grow films with angstrom-level precision.
The heart of every smartphone transistor takes shape as precisely engineered metal gate electrodes deposit over atomic-thin dielectric.
What's the stress reading on the edge die?
Holding steady at 150 MPa. Uniformity looks good across the wafer.
We track the wafers as metal films fill the contact vias, creating the crucial conductive plugs.
Copper interconnects form the neural network of the smartphone processor, carrying signals between billions of transistors.
The aluminum bond pads are critical, providing the external connection points for the chip. High-resolution inspection ensures the integrity of the surface quality.
Look at the pattern here on the southwest quadrant.
Yes, that signature suggests a leakage issue at the gate.
Precision grinding wheels thin the wafers from hundreds to tens of micrometers, enabling the slim profiles of modern smartphones. Focused laser beams create invisible fracture planes within the silicon crystal.
Look at the alignment on panel 7.
Micron-level accuracy confirmed. The vision system is perfectly calibrated.
The capillary underfill wicks beneath the processor, reinforcing the solder joints. The cure ovens then cross-link the protective polymer against thermal stress.
Protective epoxy compound flows around each smartphone processor, encapsulating billions of transistors.
This graph confirms the electrical verification passed all thresholds.
Excellent. The reliability metrics are well within tolerance.
Alongside processors, memory chips form the essential partnership enabling smartphone functionality.
Through-silicon vias enable vertical stacking, creating high-bandwidth memory. Rigorous testing then verifies inter-die communication. From wafer fabrication to final testing, these RF transceiver chips are essential for enabling modern smartphone connectivity. This is where the glass substrates are meticulously cleaned, ensuring no microscopic contaminants remain before the thin film deposition begins.
The laser crystallization process transforms the amorphous into high-mobility polycrystalline material.
In near-perfect vacuum, organic molecules sublimate and condense onto display substrates.
As the capacitive touch sensor layers are applied, the transparent conductive patterns form the sensing electrode matrices.
Here, automated optical test chambers measure luminance uniformity and color accuracy. The process begins with the patterning of photodiode arrays. Then, color filters and microlenses are deposited.
Precision optics focus light onto smartphone camera sensors with accuracy measured in fractions of wavelengths.
High-precision winding machines carefully layer the electrodes and separator films, followed by automated tab welding and electrolyte filling.
This electrochemical conditioning process activates the smartphone batteries, building stable electrode interfaces for full capacity utilization.
The protection circuit module monitors voltage, current, and temperature, ensuring safe operation before integration. The smartphone motherboard begins as layers of copper and fiberglass.
These vision-guided heads place resistors, capacitors, and ICs at thousands of placements per hour, bringing the smartphone circuits to life.
Automated optical inspection detects placement errors, while X-ray reveals hidden BGA and QFN solder joints.
Wireless connectivity requires precise calibration of radio frequency systems.
Precision stamping creates the contacts, followed by the integration of the flex cable. Finally,
the moment of convergence arrives as smartphone motherboards mount into precision machine chassis, uniting electronic intelligence.
precision robots align the OLED panel. Optically clear adhesive bonds the screen before UV light secures the seal and ensures perfect positioning.
The assembly verification process confirms mechanical completion, guaranteeing structural integrity before the next phase.
Boot sequences, display function, and touch response are all verified by these robotic arms, confirming assembly success.
Automated calibration stations use colorimeters to measure and optimize display output.
Testing microphone sensitivity. Please wait for the tone. Verification complete. Audio performance is optimal.
Every smartphone's motion sensors, environmental detectors, and positioning systems require precise calibration against known references.
The SAR measurement system precisely verifies RF exposure. The automated sequences validate hundreds of verification points. Only upon complete functional validation, under intense inspection lighting, our trained operators meticulously examine every surface.
Temporary protective films shield smartphone screens and housings. When you peel away that satisfying film, you reveal the pristine device exactly as it left the production line.
As customization completes, the devices receive their regional software loads and branded applications before final packaging.
The assembly line ensures every component, from cables and adapters to SIM tools and documentation, is included.
This box will deliver the unboxing experience that begins every customer's journey with their new device. The automated assembly line ensures a perfect fit every time. The smartphone is seamlessly integrated with its accessories before final sealing.
Individual smartphone packages consolidate into shipping cartons that will travel across oceans and continents.
Keep coming straight back. Hold it there. Perfect.
Seal confirmed. Bill of lading signed.
This tracking shot follows the cargo deep into the distribution center, where automated systems verify the pallets and update the global stock positions.
From warehouse shelves to retail store inventories, smartphones journey through sophisticated fulfillment systems.
That crate is clear. Moving these to the floor staging.
Confirmed in the system.
Welcome to the future of mobile technology. Experience the lightning-fast processor and revolutionary camera system.
The Pro model really stands out with the camera stabilization.
Yeah, I definitely prefer the feel of this one.
Excellent choice. We can get that set up for you.
The moment of purchase transforms browser into owner, completing the journey from factory floor to customer hands.
Okay, go ahead and tap start right there.
Got it.
Great, now it's configuring your account. And look, we're all set.
Okay, the activation is complete.
Yes, the test call worked perfectly.
And your data is fully connected.
All right, we've got the rugged case and the wireless charger.
Looks great on there.
Perfect, we are all set.
The clarity of this display is just remarkable.
And the speed on this tablet, I can finally video call the grandchildren without freezing.
Online purchases launch a different journey, with smartphones traveling directly from fulfillment centers to customer doorsteps.
Good morning. Can I get a signature here, please?
Sure thing, thank you.
And here is your receipt. Have a great day. Hello, darling. How are you?
Grandma, look what I built!
Sustainable recycling completes the circular economy as smartphone materials begin new journeys.